Sea Voyager, this is Pacific Star. Pacific Star, calling on channel 16 over.
Pacific Star, this is Sea Voyager, receiving you loud and clear over.
Sea Voyager, we are on a reciprocal course bearing 030 degrees distance, approximately 3 nautical miles. Request port to port passing, please confirm, over.
Pacific Star, this is Sea Voyager, roger your position and bearing, port to port, passing is confirmed, I will keep to starboard, over.
Understood. Port to port passing agreed. I will maintain present course and speed, monitoring channel 16 and switching to 13. Pacific Star out.
Copy that, switching to 13, Sea Voyager out.